Not sure why your content isn't connecting? In this episode, we reveal the secret to crafting a brand message that resonates, even if you don't know you need one yet. Stick around. Welcome back to Leopard Shoe Diaries, the podcast for content creators looking to make their mark and build a lasting brand. Oh my goodness, it's season 2! In this episode, we're exploring a foundational pillar of brand success: clarity. Specifically, we're discussing the importance of defining your brand message. Your brand message is the heart and soul of your business. It communicates your unique value and tells your audience exactly who you are, what your brand stands for, and how you can help them. A clear, compelling message sets you apart in a crowded marketplace and makes your brand memorable. Without clarity, your brand's voice gets lost in the noise. Potential customers might scroll past your content, unsure if you're the right fit for their needs. But when your message is crystal clear, your ideal audience is more likely to stop, engage, and connect. Ask yourself, can I explain what my brand does in one sentence? Does my audience understand the value I provide? And do my social media posts, website, and content reflect the same message? Now, if you hesitated on any of these, it's time to dig deeper into refining your brand's message. Let's break it down. When your message is clear, you naturally draw people who resonate with your mission and value. Instead of chasing the wrong audience, your message acts as a magnet for your ideal audience. Let's face it, there's a lot of content out here, but your message should highlight what makes your brand uniquely valuable. Whether it's your expertise, your storytelling style, or your bold take on trends, your message should be distinctly yours. Consistency and clarity breeds trust. When people consistently see a clear message from your brand, they'll feel confident that you understand their needs and can deliver on your promises. Ready to make your brand unforgettable? Here's where to start. Ask yourself why your brand exists beyond making a profit. Your purpose will help guide your message. What problems do you solve? And what sets you apart from others solving the same problem? Be specific. Use language that resonates with your ideal audience. Try to avoid jargon unless it's relevant. And meet them where they are with relatable, simple messaging. Craft a core brand statement that you could use across all platforms. For example, I help insert target audience achieve insert goal through insert message. Here's a pro tip. Don't overthink it. Start simple and refine as you go. Clarity is a process, not a one-time task. Ask me how I know. Let's take an example. Imagine you're a content creator helping female entrepreneurs grow their presence online with sustainable productivity. Instead of saying, I help you stay organized, try this. I help female entrepreneurs master time management and grow their business with sustainable, simple workflows. Notice the shift in clarity and focus. I want you to take some time after this episode to answer these questions. What is your brand's mission? Who is your ideal audience? What unique value do you provide? Write down your answers and use them to create your core brand statement. Post it somewhere visible and refer to it often as you create your content. Clarity isn't a buzzword. It's the foundation for building a brand that connects, grows, and thrives. It's time for you to make your mark. Remember, MARK stands for mindset, authenticity, revenue, and knowledge. The key pillars for building a brand that lasts. Your brand message should make your audience feel seen and understood while showcasing the brilliance only you can bring. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Leopard Shoe Diaries. If this resonates with you, share your thoughts on social media and tag me. Let's continue the conversation. Your story matters, and the world deserves to hear it. Stay bold, stay clear, and it's time for you to make your mark. See you in the next episode.